Are we ready to meet technical expectations of the future technologies? It is now or never type of act. Upcoming technologies will swipe out most of the jobs but will open many other prospects too. Please be with me till the last of this video to know more about the new requirements only in the IT sectors. Dear friends, the world which our forefathers had seen is not the same as today, and what we are watching around us won't be the same after 20 to 25 years. Based on the necessity of the people, technology is upgrading to new version every day. Rather, I should say every hour. If it goes in such a rapid way, days are not too far when the computer-based applications will be enough self-sufficient to meet all the expectations of the users. Some handful of intellectual guys will remain to perform core technical tasks for both back front end, and rest will handle maintenance. Then what about other jobs? This is very simple way to answer, and that is those jobs will never exist. The reason is that if your application is smart and intelligent to handle 99.9% issues, then why anyone would employ 60% of the crowd in their office and pay an average of 60k to lakhs of monthly salary? Just think and prepare yourself to face the reality. Worry about that? Don't panic. Solutions are always available. I'm Sanjay Shah, Talent Acquisition Specialist, and will walk you through with some interesting facts about future technologies, repercussions, ways to tackle threats, and current requirements. So please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, and if you like this presentation, share your suggestions. It will help me a lot and I'll definitely get back to you. The advanced web-based applications equipped with AI and machine learning and placed in cloud server will let global customers to get access of the customized app from anywhere at less cost. Rather than hiring 3 to 5 employees, organization can optimize their business with some clicks and settings. Now be attentive and let's check those 4 factors which will always give you an edge. Sync up with the latest trends and you will never feel yourself outside the pack. Learning attitude. One has to be enough qualified to take up new challenging tasks so that organization will gain trust, confident and willing to offer new competitive positions. One has to be really good in coding if any scenario-based assignment is given. Software engineers should participate in coding challenges like hackathon and can create relevant apps at various open source platforms like Stack Overflow, TechGeek and GitHub. Technical resources have to recurrently cultivate this all the time so that if time comes, person won't hesitate to take up new assignments and push their boundaries to work at next level. Pragmatic approach. In the world of IoT, AI, machine learning, advanced web-based applications and cloud services, intellectual capital has to work professionally in all 3 dimensions: people, organization, and at customer level. Resources have to be more proactive than earlier and has to be hands-on with the latest applications. Proper learning and strategic deliverable on job will not only control companies' expenses but will also increase ROI. These elements will help the people to gain competencies and can hold indispensable positions in the organization. Communication skills. It is no need to explain the gravity of the soft skills in the corporate world. Communication skill is one of the prominent keys which top management always want from their employees to open the doors of new businesses by effective client interaction. All the employees do not have the client profile, but it is still part of the selection criteria. In my experience, I have come across with many top recruiters who keep communication skill as first criteria. How do you speak, write, listen, and present in front of the people? It all matters. Sometimes your comp and ben decides on that. It has been seen in some places where people with the best technical experience but unable to present their work in front of the colleagues may be conjectured as inferior or an incompetent. For improvement, one can join many open coffee clubs like TED Talks, Toastmaster, and Meetup. In fact, person can go through online preparations, draft a presentation and practice on their own, assemble team members and can start technical meetups and share their knowledge. Last but not least, resume. People have to be ready to take up new roles which are quite demanding in global markets. If years on years one is relying only on the classical or traditional thinking, this is the right time to refresh your profile. During the interview, highlight your latest skills and best projects and let the panel know what you have exactly done. Please try not to create your resume too lengthy, be precise and don't fake your profile, else it will set up a wrong impression. With reference to that, allow me to share some current requirements I am working on. DevSecOps, 6 to 9 years experience. SDET, or you can call it as a test automation developer, 4 to 8 years. .NET engineers, 5 to 8 years, including ASP.NET, design patterns, MVC architecture, WCF. Then technical lead with skills in advanced Java and microservices, 7 to 11 years experience. Full stack developers, 4 to 7 years experience. Mean stack developers, 3 to 5 years. Network security engineers, 6 to 9 years experience. AI and ML developers, 3 to 5 years. Automation test engineer, which we require Python developer, you can say, who can code in Python, 5 to 7 years experience, total experience. And React Native developers, 4 to 7 years. For more information, you can share your updated resume with this email address, sksaha2009@gmail.com. I have already mentioned in the description box. Thank you so much for giving me your precious time. I will come up with new interesting topics. Till then, see you later. Stay safe and stay healthy.